What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I'm sorry it's been more than 2 months since I didn't upload. It's been a busy summer. We've been going on vacations. Work has been super busy. If you're new here, my name is Nate. This is my Ford Raptor, and today we're gonna do just a little update video on some new things that I've done to the Raptor. All right, you guys, welcome back to another video. I apologize that it has been so long. We have been going on vacations this summer, my wife and I. I've also got a son who's 1.5 years, so he keeps us super busy. YouTube is not my full-time job, as you probably already know, but it is a fun place for me to film my cars and post some videos. It's good to be back, and today we are headed up to Salty Gears Offroad right now, because they installed some new parts for me recently and I left part of them up there, so I got to go up. I have to get those out of their way and I have to pay off all my debts. They were nice enough to let me pick up my car on a weekend when nobody was there, so I wasn't able to pay for everything, so we got to go up there and pay and get my old stuff out of their way. So we'll see you up when we get to Salty Gears. Just like that, we're back here at Salty Gears. They don't know that I'm coming, so we're gonna pull in and see what they do. Doesn't anybody work around here?
Lunchtime, dude.
Okay, somehow we ended up with the keys to the Jeep Rubicon 392. The shop's gonna let me take it. Anyone wanna come?
Jared wants to go.
Yeah, I haven't even been in this yet. It's got a nice interior. You haven't been in this yet?
I haven't, no.
Everyone knows Jared. He built my Humvee and did a lot of work on the Raptor. So it's been a while since I've been in the shop. We got to show everyone your Ranger.
Yeah,
I don't think it's been on YouTube yet.
I didn't drive it today, of all the days.
I told Tony I was going to come down at some point, but I didn't tell him today, so. So that's the exhaust valve. Oh wow, that deepens it a lot. Since this is not my Jeep, I'm not gonna film while I'm driving. So we're gonna just set the camera down and get our first impressions of it. It sounds awesome. Not a Jeep anymore. Yeah. Most Jeeps are gutless.
They are.
Holy cow. Jeez. You don't expect that out of a Jeep.
No.
We're back here at Salty Gears Offroad. If you've seen my videos, you know that I come here for everything. They've done a ton of work on my truck. They're super honest, super hardworking, really good guys, and I recommend them for anything you need. So today we're going to talk about one of the upgrades that they recently did. They upgraded my stock intercooler and put a front mount intercooler on. And we got Tyler here, and he's going to tell us a little bit about the benefits of doing a new intercooler.
So here is the factory one here, as you can kind of see back there behind the grill. This is about half the size of the ADD/AFE one that we put in there. So it just allows for a lot more air flowing through here, getting cooled before it goes into the engine. Helps a lot with power, especially if you're wanting to get more power out of the Raptor. Big intercooler is absolutely necessary. So it helps a lot with that sort of stuff. And then also you get a blow-off valve out of the deal. So
which is my favorite part.
Right, you get to hear that a little bit. So down here we've got this little red filter. That's on the factory recirculation valve. So when you install the intercooler, it gets rid of the tube that plumbs back up into the intake tube, and you throw a little filter on here just so it's not getting water or anything in there. And you've got a blow-off valve shooting all the air out when you let off the gas. Hear it, makes it sound like a race car.
We're gonna do some I'm gonna let Tyler drive it out here and we'll get some video of of the blow-off valve.
Really good. Sounds
But
awesome.
like he said, you can see back here behind the grill, this is the ADD Offroad, which is made by AFE,
Yep,
right?
AFE does it for ADD. So.
This is their front mount intercooler, much bigger. It looks really cool. It makes the truck look mean because you can see it behind the grill.
Absolutely.
So with this, I was able to go to a stage 2 Goosetuned, so I can push a lot more power through the truck, and it's been a lot of fun. Apart from the intercooler and the performance upgrades up front, I also wanted to show you what they did. They installed new tires for me. Before, I was running the BFG KM3 Mud Terrain, which initially I really liked, but it seems like the more I had the tire, the louder they got, the rougher they ride. And they were just wearing pretty badly. It's really hard to see on camera, but a lot of the tire was chunking. Obviously I was using them off-road quite a bit, but they seemed to be chunking pretty aggressively. A lot of big parts of the rubber was coming off, and I started to feel it on the road, so it was just getting rougher and rougher. So they put on brand new Yokohama Geolander X-AT. It's their new or newer.
Yeah, hybrid tires.
It's a more aggressive looking all-terrain, and what's pretty cool is the tire has two different sides to the tread pattern. So you can choose this little more aggressive tread pattern, or let's see if we can peek on the inside. They have a bit more of a conservative tread pattern depending on what you want your tire to look like. So far I've really liked these tires. They're a lot smoother, a lot quieter on road, and I think they look really nice. And I know people are gonna ask, they are a 35 1250 R17, and I think it's the perfect tire for the Raptor. Any bigger you get some rubbing issues, but the 35s have been really nice on this truck.
Stage 2 Goosetuned.
Let's see what you think. Make sure you put it in sport mode.
Alright.
Okay, Tyler's gonna go down the street for us. We're gonna get some sounds of the blow-off valve, which is my favorite part of the new upgrades that we did. I feel like a little kid driving a race truck.
That's what it is, race truck.
Don't be shy. Check out this off-road Porsche build. That's sweet. Sounds pretty sweet.
Nothing better, dude.
I think you need a Raptor.
Maybe.
Tyler's more of a Ram guy.
Yeah, that's right. TRX is pretty cool.
We'll get him to the light side.
One day.
Thank you for driving.
Yeah, you bet, dude. Thanks for letting me.
Well, I think that is going to do it for today's video. Just again, a few small updates that we've done on the truck recently. I'm working with Winfield from Goosetuned. Since I have the new front mount intercooler, I can now do a stage 2 tune on the truck. So we've done a couple revisions already. We're still fine tuning it, logging some data, and he's working on the tune. Once we get that finished up, our next video is going to be doing some 0 to 60 runs in the truck, because a lot of people have been asking how fast the truck is now with a stage 2 Goosetuned. So that's coming soon. I've also got to figure out what to do with all these old tires. Thanks for watching today's video. I will try to post a little more consistently and do some more videos of my truck. If you want to see more of the Tesla, or if you want to see more of the R8, let me know, and we'll have more videos coming soon. Thank you. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.